Hey guys, welcome back to the new video now. So today's topic is going to be about HTML text formatting. Before we start, we just need to know what is actually HTML text formatting. So basically, it's a process of formatting text, okay, for a better look and the better feel. Like, so you can imagine, like, if you're on a website and you're looking to the website and you feel like it's not that cool or it's not that perfect, it's just because the fact that the website was not properly formatted. Now if I keep going on a website and I find the text is just plain as simple, like the same way, it's not how it works. Because in if we go into English grammar, every text has to be like either go with the commas, semicolons, and all those stuff. So we do need to do some sort of text formatting for that. That is where it comes with the text formatting. So it's just like it provides you the ability to format text without using CSS. Not all the time you will be using CSS, and some of the times you have to do some formatting as well. So these tags are used to make text bold, italicized, or underlined. These tags are used to provide some sort of like visual appearance to the text as well. So how do we use the HTML formatting text? We use them like with those. I can show you. Go ahead. Try it yourself. You can see like over here we find it these sort of tags. It's giving some sort of like formatting to the text as well. Like you can see subscript. Subscript is just a way to make the script a little bit down than the usual text. So this is how it works. Let's just copy this one and paste in our editor. Let me just paste that, save it. I'm going to refresh it, and you can see this is how it works. There are several ways of formatting the text, which we can see it down here. You can see if you want to bold the text, we use just bold. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. If you're using it for bold, it's going to be bold. Strong text will be like the similar like that. What we're gonna do is like we just copy these all um, elements, paste in here. Okay. What we're gonna do is just simply add the end tag, and it will actually show us how it works. uh, by that way we will be able to understand like how these formatting text works, and obviously it will give you an idea as well, like if we are going to use these elements in our daily workflow, how would they actually help us. And in that way you will be able to use them if you want to use them in like some sort of formatting your text in the website. Let me just go ahead and quickly save this as well. All right, let me just hit the. Okay, now you can see like with the B tag, we actually added a B bold text with important with the strong one, which was here. It's pretty similar, the same, but it's obviously showing some sort of like an important. We also use the italicized format of tag. So over here you can see like it's actually tilting the text to the right side. So it's actually pretty clear over here. Uh, every tag is something over here saying some important fact. Like this is a strike one, underline, subscript, superscript. Everything is there. So these are the methods of like formatting the text. You have seen these texts being used all the time on the website. Let's suppose um, these deleted text, let's suppose like I'll just for example, so you can get an idea like where you must have seen this. So let's suppose your price for the product was $14.99. Now I just refresh so you can remember that the price before for the product was $14.99, but now it's not that anymore. um, and then obviously you add some information. Now price is $15.99. So now you save that, refresh, and you know now the new price is it. So this is how it's being used in a practical life as well, practical scenarios where you see these regular tags being used. These formats actually help you without using the CSS. This is the most pretty easiest way of formatting any sort of a text. Furthermore, you do see the examples which we just discussed. Okay, I'll give you the link of this page as well, so you can go ahead and actually practice yourself. But if you have any questions, you can actually throw them in the comment box. I will be able to help you out. There are pretty more examples of the tags that you can use, so that's not a big problem. Anyhow, like if you like this video so far, and if you have any questions, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give the thumbs up, and share the video so it can actually help a lot of people to actually understand what is a HTML formatting text. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the HTML quotations, and hope you like the video. Thank you.